God is saying to you today, I will give you a new heart and put a new spirit within you. The weight you've been carrying, the burdens that press on your soul, I am lifting them and replacing them with my peace. I see where your heart has grown weary, where hope has dimmed, and where life's struggles have left you feeling hardened. But know this, my beloved, I am the God who renews, restores, and breathes life into what feels broken. Even if your heart feels as if it has turned to stone, I am here to renew it with my touch. I am breaking down the walls that have kept you from fully experiencing my love. I am giving you a heart of flesh, one that is tender to my voice, filled with compassion, and open to the beauty and blessings I am bringing your way. Do not fear the change that is coming. This transformation is not to harm you, but to draw you closer to me. I am preparing you for a